Whether you are in cryptocurrency or not, please, I want you to watch this video attentively and watch it to the very, very end, because it's going to help you help yourself. It's going to help you help your family and your business. It's going to help you make better financial decisions for yourself and for the future of your children, especially in the coming days ahead of us. Guys, take a very good look at this picture. Take a look at this graph up here. All right, I'm putting up here. Look at this graph. What do you see? We have an ascending line, right? Ascending straight to the upside. Now, this graph that you see right now, this graph is the graph showing you the growth rate of Nigerian population in the last 10 years. Now, what does that show? It shows that Nigeria has been growing by 2%, a little bit just above 2% every single year in the last 10 years. 4 years ago, we were just around 200 million people.
You are watching Obicrypto. Subscribe now.
Nigeria is over 230 million people. Now, the question you need to begin to ask yourself is, how many jobs is being created, right, to feed and cater for these people? Because we are growing 2% every year. Guys, have you checked our GDP growth rate, our economic growth rate? Our economy has not been growing within the last 10 years. Do you understand? Listen, guys, before I go further, all this is I'm saying, right? Please do not put it on the head of this present government. Don't put the blame on them, all right? Because it didn't start from them. Remember, I said I am giving you a 10 years projection. These guys in power are not even up to 2 years in power. Do you understand? This is as an accumulation, right, of wrong choices, mistakes, and wrong moves that we have made as a country so many decades ago. I repeat, so many decades ago, not years, so many decades. Do you understand? But here's the thing. Let's come back to the reason why you're watching this right now. Okay? Guys, our population is increasing. Our agricultural production is dropping. Our crude oil expectation is dropping. Do you understand? Our performance on every indices are pointing down. But our population is increasing. Guys, do you see the danger behind this? When population is increasing, but the source of feeding is dropping on a daily basis. And those of you who are here watching me right now are still contemplating if you should get yourself educated about cryptocurrency or not. Listen, my father didn't invent crypto. My mother, my uncle, my auntie, nobody from my family invented crypto, right? I met it just the same way you are meeting it right now. The only difference between me and you is that I met cryptocurrency 8 years ago. You are just meeting it now for those of you who are meeting it now. And that's why I am passing this knowledge to you, so you can have a rethink and re-strategize in your planning and perhaps maybe investment strategy. Mind you, I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a regular guy on social media talking about cryptocurrencies. Do what works for you. Don't take anything I say as a financial advice. All right? Now, apart from this graph you guys just saw now, there's another graph I want to show you again, this particular one here. Okay, now when you take a look at this one, you see it came down, right? It came down, gradually stabilized, okay, and then zoom to the top. Now, this other graph that you're seeing right now, all right, this graph is the graph representing the Naira exchange rate devaluation versus the US dollars. Now, what you are seeing now on that red line that you see like this is to tell you that the Nigerian Naira has been moving straight. It has been stable for quite some time, for quite some years. Then gradually it shoot up to the top, right? As you can see in that graph, right? The highest level it goes to, which is presently right now, is somewhere around $1,600, 600 Naira per dollar. Now, guys, the Naira has been increasing. The value of dollar has been increasing against our Naira. within the last few years, it has been going up and up and up and up. Our population has been going up and up and up and up. Our economy has been going down, 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 and down. Gentlemen, what $1 million can do for you 2 years ago, I say $1 million. What 1 million naira can do for you, right, 3 years ago, you cannot dare it today, even with 2 million naira. 2 million naira cannot do it for you today. Now, why am I saying this? You can come into cryptocurrency, not necessarily as a trader. Yours is buy it when it's low, sell when it's high. In fact, if you feel like, okay, you don't even want to buy and sell, in cryptocurrency, we have what we call stable coin, right? This stable coin, like a USDT, is just dollars, digital dollars. You convert your naira to the dollars and you keep it in your wallet. It will not appreciate, right? If you keep $10, $10 is $10. It will not go to $11 or $20, and it will not come down to $9 or $8. It will remain there as $10. That's why they call it stable coin. It's a coin that does not move in value. It stays where it is. If you buy it today, what you bought it today, even if you come back in next 10 years, that is what you are going to see there. Not even a penny will be added to it. And not even a penny will be reduced from it. It will stay there. So you can decide to say, okay, let me buy $100 of this stable coin, this US dollar, USDT, right? You can buy it and keep. Because, for example, if you had bought $100, let's say in 2020, right? $100 as of 2020, dollar exchange rate was 400 naira for $1. So if you had bought $100, all you needed as at that time to buy $100 would have been 40,000 naira. So with 40,000 naira, you will have $100. 40,000 for $100. And now imagine if you have kept that $100, right? You didn't touch it. It did not appreciate. It remains the same $100 today. If you take that $100 right now to the market, you want to sell. Do you know how much it is right now? $100 right now is about 170,000 naira. That means your 40,000 naira is now 170,000 naira. Without any risk involved, no risk involved. You did not buy Bitcoin because Bitcoin is not today to go up, tomorrow to come down. Ethereum, all of them the same thing. This one is you bought USDT, stable coin. This is a coin that does not appreciate in value. It stays there. But the reason why you are withdrawing bigger money right now is because the exchange rate in Nigeria have gone higher. That is why that your 40,000 naira investment, which you bought $100 with it, is now worth 170,000 naira. Are you getting the point? So even if it is that alone, is it not better for you to have done that than to keep the money in naira? Because imagine if you hadn't used that 40,000 naira to buy $100 in 2020, if you had kept it in your bank account, if you bring it today now, that 40,000 naira, can you use it to buy $100? The answer is capital no. So guys, I am sure I showed you guys this graph. I really don't want to go deep into it. But the thing here is, the message I'm trying to pass to you guys is, no matter what you do, guys, look out for yourself financially. Because nobody is coming to help you. Nobody is coming to save you. Financial policies that are being made is not made for you. It is made for the classes, the manufacturers, the distributors. Do you understand? The wholesalers and the retailers. These are the guys that all these policies are made for, not for you. It's not made for you. Do you understand? So if there's anybody that should be looking out for your pockets, it's you. And that is why I'm bringing you guys this video, to show you people what's happening. Our population is increasing. Dollar exchange rate is on the rise on a daily basis. Meanwhile, our economy is going down. Okay? I'm not going to tell you what to do with your money, all right? But if you want to be free, if you want to start building financial wealth, right? Subscribe and follow Obicrypto, and at the same time, go and look into this data I've presented to you guys today. Obicrypto, I'll see you guys in the next video. Subscribe and follow. Over and out.
You are watching Obicrypto. Subscribe now.
This is not a financial advice. Do your own research.